Question 11. Ruth and Sarah shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:5 respectively. Sarah received 35 cedis. How much did Ruth receive? So I drew a table for them. Ruth's ratio is 3, Sarah is 5. Sarah's amount is 35. Ruth's amount, you don't know, that's x. There is a direct proportion between the ratios and the amount, so we cross multiply. 3 by 35, 5 times x. So divide 3 by 5, 5 here, 1, 5 here, 7. 3, 7 is 21 Ghana cedis. Option B. 12. 435 words in 25 minutes. How many words can we type in 1 hour 15 minutes? So we change 1 hour 15 minutes to minutes. The 1 hour is 60 plus 15 is 75 minutes. So if it's 75 minutes, 75 out of which of these minutes 25 times the other one, 435. 25 here, 125 here, 35, 15, 339 plus the 110, 342 plus the 113. So 1305 words. Option C. Which of the following illustrates the number line below? So if you watch, it's -1, that's equal, and we are moving towards the right, and that's greater than. So x is greater than or equal to -1. Option D. 14. Simple interest. Find it. 540 cedis for 5 years at 9%. So principal times time times rate. So the rate is out of 100. So I take off the trailing 0 here. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 27. 27 times 9. 9, 7, 63, 3. We have our 6, 9, 2, 18 plus the 6, 24. So that's 243 Ghana cedi. Option A. An egg seller, person 15. An egg seller had a target to sell 36 crates of eggs by the end of the day. In the morning, she sold 5 out of 9 of her total stock. So in the morning, 5 out of 9 times 36. So 9 here, 1, 9 there, 4, 5, 4, 20. So 20 were sold in the morning. Then she sold 50% in the afternoon of the remaining crates. So 50% is 50 over 100 times the remaining. It was 36, and we sold 20 in the morning. So 50 over 100 is a half, and this is 16. 2 here, 1, 2 there, 8. So 8 were also sold in the afternoon. What is remaining? 36. We sold 20 and 8, 28. So remainder of 8. And they are asking us to express the remaining unsold as a percentage. So 8, that's the remaining out of the total 36 times 100%. 4 here, 2, 4 here, 9. So that will be 2 times 100, 200 out of 9. 9 into 22, 18, remainder 2. Attach the last 0, 20. 9 to 20 is 2. That's 18 again, remainder 2. So we get 0.22222. And that's 0.22% for question number 15. 16. 5631 times 35 is giving you this value. Evaluate that. So the simple technique here is that 56.31, write it as a fraction. 5631 out of 100, 35 out of 10. Now the numerator 5631 times 35 is given in the question as 197085. Now it's out of 1000, and out of 1000 means I go back 3 times from here. So 1, 2, 3. That's 197.085. And that's 197 because the question said nearest whole number. 17. A letter is chosen at random from the word parallelogram. What's the probability that it's a vowel? So the vowels here are E, that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. E, that's 5. The only answer that has 5 here is C. So obviously it is C. But let's count over total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So out of 13, 5 out of 13 is the answer. Correct that to 3 sig figures. So the third sig figure is a 7. Look behind 8, you add 1, making 9.68. Option C. Arrange that in ascending order of magnitude, the lowest. So if you want to compare, 402 is the biggest. 0.4. So the 10th is 4. 0.44, 10th is 4. 0.04, 10th is 0. So that is the lowest, 0.04. Even if you watch, all of these ones do not have that, so it will obviously be option D. So 0.04, and this is 0.4000, so that's less than 0.44, because the 100 degrees here is 0 and the 100 here is 4, so this is lesser than this, so 0.4 comes next, 0.44 comes follows, then 0 before 402, and that will be option D. Now 20, a car covers a distance of 90 km in 45 minutes. Calculating km per hour the speed, so we change the time to hours, that's that divided by 60, so that become 90 times, then we reciprocate the second fraction, 45 here 1, 45 here 2, so that's 120 km per hour.